Welcome back, children. Okay, so today we will study the new alphabet, right? And beginning sounds. Okay, we will study the alphabet also and a beginning sound. Okay, yes. So, which alphabet we are going to study? It is E. It is E. See the small E. We are going to study the small E. Okay. Yes. See how it looks? Yes. How you are going to write it? It is very easy. You have to make a small circle and you can write it like this. Okay. You have to make a small circle and you can write it like this. Yes. Okay. So this is our small E. Okay, children. See. This is capital E. This is small e. Right, children? Capital E, small e. See here. Capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. Right, children? Yes. So, now children, I will tell you the story of E. Small story of E. Okay, shall we start? Yes. So children, once a girl, once a girl, okay, a girl come to know about that there is a elephant came in the circus, right? A girl को पता चला कि in a far away region means into the next town वहाँ पे elephant आया है circus में. Okay, so she wanted to see the elephant. She wanted to see the elephant, right? Yes. So what she did? What she did, children? She go to the railway station. She went to the railway station and there was a she saw the engine. She saw the engine. See the engine? Yes. There was a train with a engine. Okay, there was a train with a engine. So she sat into the train. Okay, then she went to the town where there was a elephant. Okay, so girl ने क्या किया? इंजन में इंजन था वहाँ पे. she saw the engine. ट्रेन में इंजन था तो she became very happy that she saw it first time, right? So she sat into the train and she went to see the elephant. Okay, then she went to see the elephant. She went to the where there was a circus, right? Then she saw the elephant. She saw the elephant. She wanted to touch the elephant. She wanted to touch the elephant. So what she did? She put her elbow. She put her elbow on the ring and she waved her hand. She waved her hand to the elephant. She put her elbow to the ring and waved her hand. Okay. Then what happened? She saw there was a emu. There was a emu too. वहाँ पे emu भी था. See the emu? You can see the emu? Yes, she saw the emu out there. Yes, so she becomes so happy. And some more thing is there, that is eggs. So the emu was with her eggs. You can see the emu was with her eggs. So she becomes so happy. She was here to see the elephant. वो सिर्फ elephant देखने आई थी, but she saw the emu too. उसने emu भी देखा, and she saw the eggs of the emu. So she becomes so happy, and then she get back to her home with this engine. Okay. Yes. So you like the short story? Yes. Okay. So children, now it was the story of E. Now I will tell you some beginning sounds. Today we will learn some beginning sounds. Okay. Then we will do the activity. Okay. Now first, okay, first we will circle. We will connect the E's. Okay, we will connect the E's first. Okay, as we have learned it now. Okay, so connect the E's with the purple. Okay, now where is E, children? Is this a E? Tell me. Is this a E? Yes. So we have to color it. Then we have to connect it. Is this a E? No. Is this a E? No. Is this a E? No, it's a D, right? Is this a E? Yes, so we have to color it. Okay. Now, is this a E, children? No. Is this a E? No. Is this a E? No. Is this a E? Yes, so color this E too. Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to connect these E's. Yes. Connect kiya E ko? Okay, very good. Now come here. This is a beginning sound. We will read some beginning sounds. Okay. Now children, tell me, what is this? Apple. This is apple. So, which alphabet has the sound of apple? A is for apple. A has the sound of A. A is for apple. Next is, what is this, children? Yes, C. It is C. C has the sound of K. So, C is for cat. See the cat? C is for cat. Okay, now what is this, children? B. What is this? B. Okay. So B has a sound of B. B has a sound of B. And what is this, children? B is for book. See, the book has beginning sound. Which sound it has? B. B is for book. Right? A is for apple. C has a sound of K. So C is for cat. Okay. Next is D. What is it? D. What sound D has, children? D. D has a sound of D. So D is for dog. D is for dog. Okay. Now children, E. What sound? E has two sounds. That is, E has sound of A. E has sound of A, and also like we read it now, E is for elephant, right? Yes. And also E has the sound of E. E का और एक sound क्या है? E. So E is for eagle. Right, children? E is for eagle. Okay. Next is H. H. So children, H has the sound of H. H has the sound of H. So H is for hen. H is for hen. H. H is for hen. Okay. Now children, what is this? I. I. What sound does it have? I has the sound of E. I has the sound of E. Right? So, I is for insect. I is for insect. Okay. What is this, children? F. What is this? F. What sound F has? F has a sound F. F has a sound F. So F is for fish. F is for fish. Right? So these were the beginning sounds, children. You have to keep them in mind, right? Okay. Now it's a activity time. Okay, it's a activity time. So what we have to do? We have to match the pictures with the same beginning sound. We have to match the pictures with the same beginning sound. Okay, let's start. Okay, so children, see this. What is it? It's a bat. It's a bat. So what sound it has? What beginning sound it has? Bat. B. B means bee. Okay. So which object has the same sound? Tell me. Yes. Balloon. Balloon. Both have same sound. Bat. Balloon. Yes. So we have to match it. We have to match it. Okay. You have to match with same sound. Okay. Okay. What's this? Okay. So next is what is this? Duck. What is this? Duck. Which object has the same sound? Duck means D, right? D has the sound of D. So D is for duck. Which object has the same sound? Yes? Yes, it's dog. D. D is for duck. D is for dog. So match them. Okay? Yes. See the next. What is it? Horse. It is a horse. Okay. So horse has which letter? It means H. Which letter has a sound of H? That is H. H has a sound of H. Right? H is for horse. Now which object has the same sound? Yes. Hat. It is hat. H is for horse. H is for hat. Right? Yes. So you have to match it. Okay. Next. What is this, children? Flower. It is a flower. Okay. So now which object has the same sound? Flower means F. F has a sound of F. F is for flower. So F is for fish. F is for fish. So flower and fish has a same beginning sound, right? Yes. So let's read it again. B is for bat. B is for balloon. D is for duck. D is for dog. H is for horse. H is for hat. F is for flower. F is for fish. Okay. So children, you understood the beginning sounds? Yes. Okay. So our session is over now. Meet you in the next session. Bye-bye.